Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2S and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the menu button. Once the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, like this. Select the system option, and once you select it, press the GPS button to enter. And here you should see the language option. Make sure it's selected and then press the GPS button. This will open the list of languages, as you can see, and we can scroll through the list by pressing the up and down buttons. My bad. And once you find the language you would like to use and select it, then you can press the GPS button and then press GPS button again to apply it. I think the watch froze. Oh, never mind, it's back, and as you can see, the language changed. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the language. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here. Give a second, like this, wake up the screen on it, zoom out the camera, like this, oh, my bad, like that. And to change the language through the phone application, open the Garmin Connect app on the phone that is paired with your watch, then tap on menu, scroll down, find the Garmin devices, tap on Instinct 2S, to select it. Now scroll down, find the system option and tap on it. And here select language. It will open list of languages. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use, tap on it, tap on apply. Once you see this message, tap on OK, and let's check if the language changed. And as you can see, it did. Sometimes it might take a while for the watch to sync with the phone to apply the settings, so I recommend to wait a little. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.